In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to configure the settings in Flo so that your invoices are formatted correctly for each client. Each week, during your consolidation, the invoices are automatically generated based on the information that is entered onto your timesheets. You'll find these in the Invoices section, and at first glance, these invoices look like this. There are several details on the PDF which can be edited to the specifications of your customers, which include the client billing address, the invoice date, the client references, the payment terms, the PO number, the invoice footer information, your agency's registered details, and your bank details. Each time you click on the Download PDF button, the PDF is regenerated. So this means that if the details are incorrect when you first open the invoice, you can change your settings and download the file again with the correct details on. The first section we'll look at is the registered details of your agency. This can be found in the agency details, and here you'll be able to amend the name, company number, address, bank details, and the VAT number. If your agency is not VAT registered, then this field will not be present on the PDF invoice. Now, if we click into agency settings at the top of the page, we will be able to set the default footer text, which has a maximum character limit of 600. Also on this page, there is an option to set the default detail level on the invoices for each of your clients. The options are either A, summary, or B, breakdown, which gives a detailed overview of the invoice by candidate. This detail level can be changed for each client in the client settings. To change the invoice settings for a particular client, click into the client data page. Firstly, to display a different billing address on the invoices to the site address, click on Use Different Billing Address and enter the details. Client references 1 and 2 can be updated on this page. There are further options available in the client settings page. Firstly, you can see the VAT type for this client. You can set the invoice date from the 3 options available, either invoice creation date, which is the date of consolidation, client week ending date, which is the last date of the timesheet, or system week ending date, which is the Sunday before consolidation. The next option is to change the payment terms. This can either be set to a number of days or a custom message. The number of days will default to a predefined number and will therefore calculate the due date of the invoice. Here you can also change the level of detail on the invoice if it differs from the default for this client. The final place we can make changes is by clicking on Manage Invoice. You can enter a purchase order number and add any details into the description which are not already on the invoice. Once you have all of your client details set up in Flo, your invoices will look something like this. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions at all, then please don't hesitate to contact our support line, who will be happy to help.